Most people think a polymath is someone born genius. That is wrong. A polymath is built through smart learning, not endless studying. Let me show you how real polymaths are made. First, stop trying to learn everything at once. This is where most people fail. Real polymaths use focused seasons. They pick one main skill for 3 to 6 months. They go deep, not shallow. For example, 3 months on communication, next on coding, next on finance, next on psychology, depth first, then move on. This creates real ability. Second, always connect what you learn. Polymaths do not store knowledge in boxes. They link it. If you learn psychology, connect it to business. If you learn fitness, connect it to discipline. If you learn tech, connect it to income. Connections turn information into intelligence. Third, learn only useful things. School teaches random topics. Polymaths learn tools, communication, money, problem solving, health, technology, human behavior. These skills multiply your life. Useless knowledge is entertainment. Useful knowledge changes reality. Fourth, apply immediately. Read one idea. Use it today. Watch one lesson. Practice it today. No application means no growth. Action is what turns learning into power. Fifth, build a simple daily system. 1 to 2 hours a day is enough. 30 minutes learning, 30 minutes practicing, 30 minutes reviewing. Do this for years and you become dangerous in many fields. Not overwhelmed, skilled. Finally, stay curious forever. Polymaths never stop asking, how does this work? Why does this happen? How can I use this? Curiosity keeps the brain sharp and growing. Here is the truth. You do not need high IQ. You need consistency. You do not need talent. You need smart focus. Anyone can become a polymath. If they learn like one, master one skill at a time, connect everything, apply daily. That is how real polymaths are built. Not in school, not in theory, but in real life.